Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
In today's video, we're going to talk about the fastest way to make $1 million in 2026. What if I told you that someone built a $50,000 per month software business without writing a single line of code? No developers, no technical co-founder, just them, an idea, and an AI tool. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you the 5 AI-powered platforms that are literally letting anyone build software, and why one of them is so powerful. It's being called the Canva of software development. Stick around because number 1 might just change your life. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified about future videos. Here's what we're covering today. The 5 best AI software builders that let you launch products using just plain English. Real examples of products built on each platform. Honest pros and cons of each tool. And the exact strategy to hit your first $10,000 per month using these platforms. Now, I've tested all 5 of these platforms over the past 3 months, and I'm going to rank them from good to absolute game changer. But before we dive in, let me explain why this matters right now. The software business market is exploding. We're talking a $700 billion plus industry by 2028. But here's the problem that's existed since the beginning. Traditional software development requires months of development time, $50,000 to $150,000 in development costs, a technical co-founder or expensive development team, and even then, 90% of startups fail. But in the last 18 months, something revolutionary happened. AI coding assistants evolved from helpful tools to being able to build complete software products. These 5 platforms harness that power, letting you build professional software using nothing but describing what you want in plain English. Think about it. You have an idea for a project management tool, a scheduling app, or a specialized business management system. Instead of spending 6 months learning to code or hiring a development team, you describe what you want and watch it get built in real time. So let's break down these 5 platforms. I'm starting with number 5 and working up to the absolute best one for making money fast. Coming in at number 5 is Bubble. This is a solid option for complete beginners because it has a super intuitive interface. Think Notion-level simplicity. It's got a great template library to get started fast, and affordable pricing at around $29 per month for the basic plan. I actually used this to build a simple habit tracking app in about 2 hours. The AI understood my requests well, and the output was clean. You can literally drag and drop elements, connect your data storage, and have something functional without touching code. But here's where it falls short. Limited customization for complex features. It struggles with advanced data management, and it's not ideal for building products you plan to scale to thousands of users. The platform can get sluggish when you're dealing with heavy data loads or complex workflows. Perfect for testing ideas quickly and building basic prototypes. Not ideal for building the next major software company. If you're just starting out and want to test whether your idea has legs, Bubble is a great place to dip your toes in the water. Platform number 4 is Replit. And this one's interesting because it focuses heavily on collaborative building and instant publishing. Replit stands out because it gives you a full development environment right in your browser. You can build, test, and publish all in one place. The integration capabilities are impressive. You can connect to pretty much any service you need. Plus, there's a massive community and tons of templates to learn from. There's a case study of an entrepreneur who built a customer feedback tool using this platform. Within 3 months, they had 200 paying customers at $49 per month. That's nearly $10,000 in monthly recurring revenue. Let me show you the math. 200 customers times $49 equals $9,800 per month. Annual run rate, $117,600. Built in 2 weeks, scaled in 3 months. The downsides? Steeper learning curve than Bubble. Some features still require basic technical knowledge, especially when you're customizing beyond the templates. And the pricing can add up quickly once you start scaling and need more computing resources. But we're just getting warmed up. The top 3 is where things get really exciting. Okay, platform number 3 is where we cross into serious business territory. Bolt.new. This platform excels at rapid prototyping with AI-generated complete applications. It has one-click publishing so you're not stuck figuring out hosting. And the AI is trained on modern, professional design standards. I've seen software products built on this platform that look indistinguishable from apps built by professional development teams. We're talking sleek dashboards, complex automation, payment integration, that works. Look at this booking system someone built. Stripe payments, email notifications, calendar sync, all from simple descriptions. You literally type what you want, and the AI generates a working prototype you can immediately test and improve. The catch? Higher price point, ranging from $50 to $200 per month depending on your usage. It requires more detailed descriptions. You can't just say, "Build me an app." You need to be specific about features, user flows, and functionality. And there are limitations around hosting extremely high-traffic applications. This is where serious entrepreneurs start. If you're committed to building a real business, platforms 3 through 1 are your options. This isn't for hobbyists. This is for people who are ready to build something that generates real revenue. Number 2 almost took the top spot. V0. And for some use cases, it might actually be your best choice. V0 offers professional-grade design generation. It handles complex interface design better than any other platform, and it has incredible export options. You can take your work anywhere, which means you're not locked into their system. There's a founder in the community who built a software analytics tool using this platform. They're now at $30,000 monthly recurring revenue with 150 customers. The product handles massive data processing that normally would require a team of specialized engineers. Think about that. $360,000 in annual revenue from a tool they built themselves, with no traditional development experience. So why isn't it number 1? The main drawback is that it's more focused on design and user interface, so you'll need to handle more of the behind-the-scenes logic yourself. Slightly slower iteration speed compared to our top pick. And the pricing can be complex, especially for teams or when you need advanced features. But the number 1 platform? It combines the best of everything we've talked about with one killer advantage. The number 1 AI software builder is Lovable, and I'm not exaggerating when I say this platform is revolutionizing how solo founders build businesses. Here's why Lovable takes the crown. First, speed to market. It's genuinely the fastest way to go from idea to deployed product. We're talking days, not months. You get complete applications with all components built from conversational descriptions. And there's real-time preview as you build, so you can see changes instantly. Second, professional output. The quality of what it generates rivals what you'd get from a professional developer. It uses modern, industry-standard technology. Everything is mobile responsive by default, so you don't have to worry about building separate versions for phones and tablets. Third, iteration speed. This is the killer feature. You can pivot and modify features instantly. No technical complications slowing you down. Test multiple variations of your product quickly without rebuilding from scratch. This means you can adapt to user feedback in hours, not weeks. Fourth, cost efficiency. Compare $100,000 in development costs versus Lovable's monthly subscription. You can test 5 different software ideas for what it would cost to build one traditionally. That's massive when you're trying to find the right product. Let me give you a concrete example. There's a founder named Marcus who used Lovable to build a specialized business management system for real estate agents. Here's the timeline. Week 1, built initial version with core features. Contact management, deal pipeline, automated follow-ups. Week 2, got feedback from 10 beta users and improved based on their input. Week 3, added payment processing and officially launched. Month 2, 25 paying customers at $97 per month. Month 4, $7,500 in monthly recurring revenue. Currently, he's on track to hit $15,000 monthly recurring revenue. That's the path. Idea, built-in Lovable, beta users, launch, scale, all in under 3 months. And Marcus had 0 coding experience before this. He was a real estate agent himself who saw a problem and decided to solve it. Now, you might be thinking, is there a catch? Let me be honest about the limitations. You still need to understand your market and users. The tool can't do customer research for you. Description skills matter. The better you describe what you want, the better the results. And for extremely complex enterprise software, you might eventually need custom development. But for 90% of software ideas, Lovable handles it beautifully. Here's the path to your first million using Lovable. The math is simple. Build a niche software product in 2 to 3 weeks. Charge $50 to $100 per month. Your goal is 1,000 customers. 1,000 customers times $80 per month equals $80,000 monthly recurring revenue. Annually, that's $960,000. That's the path. And with Lovable, you can actually build that product yourself instead of waiting for funding or a technical co-founder. Okay, So you know the tools. Now let me give you the exact strategy to use these platforms to build real income. Step 1. Find your niche. Don't build a general project management tool. Build the project management tool for wedding planners. Micro niches reduce competition and increase willingness to pay. Look for industries with money, but outdated software. Think dentists, lawyers, contractors, real estate agents. These people have budget and they're frustrated with clunky old systems. Step 2. Validate before building. This is crucial. Talk to 10 potential customers first. Ask them, what software do you use for this task? What frustrates you about it? If you could wave a magic wand, what would you change? And if you're brave, pre-sell. Tell them, I'm building this solution. Would you pay $50 per month for it? If you get even 3 or 4 people saying yes, you've got validation. Step 3. Build your minimum viable product in 1 to 2 weeks. Use Lovable to create a working version with 3 to 5 core features. Don't try to build everything. Focus on one painful problem and solve it really well. Get it deployed and usable. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to work. Step 4. Get your first 10 customers. Offer early bird pricing, maybe $29 instead of $79. Join communities where your target customers hang out. Facebook groups, Reddit, LinkedIn. Create content showing your tool in action. Screen recordings, case studies, before and after comparisons. Make it so obvious this tool solves their problem that they'd be crazy not to try it. Step 5. Iterate obsessively. This is where Lovable shines. Rapid iteration based on feedback. Talk to every single early customer. Ask them what's working, what's confusing, what's missing. Make improvements weekly, not monthly. Your first version will be rough. That's okay. Your 10th version will be exponentially better. Step 6. Scale to $10,000 monthly recurring revenue. Once product market fit is clear, it's about distribution, content marketing, paid ads, partnerships with complementary businesses. At $79 per month, you need 127 customers for $10K monthly recurring revenue. That's achievable in 6 to 12 months with consistent effort. Will everyone who tries this hit $10,000 per month? Number. But you'll learn valuable skills, and you'll have real products in your portfolio. That's infinitely better than staying stuck watching videos, but never building anything. Look, 5 years ago, what I just showed you was literally impossible for non-technical founders. You had 2 options: learn to code for years or raise money to hire developers. But right now, in 2025, we're in this tiny window where AI tools are incredibly powerful, but most people don't know they exist yet. The entrepreneurs who move now are building unfair advantages. While everyone else is still figuring out if AI is real, you can have a profitable product in market. Imagine 6 months from now. You're running a software business with paying customers. Money is hitting your payment account while you sleep. You're making decisions about growing your business, not begging for opportunities. You're the person other entrepreneurs come to for advice. That's possible, but only if you start today. So here's what I want you to do, and this is important. Go to Lovable.dev right now. Sign up for the free trial. Spend this weekend building one simple tool that solves one problem you personally have. Maybe it's a content calendar for your social media. Maybe it's a simple invoicing tool for your freelance work. Maybe it's a habit tracker that actually works the way you want it to. Don't overthink it. Don't wait for the perfect idea. Just build something. Because the difference between people who succeed and people who stay stuck is simple. One group builds, the other just plans. I'll drop a link to Lovable in the description, along with a quick start guide I put together. If you got value from this video, smash that like button. It genuinely helps more people discover this content. And subscribe, because next week, I'm breaking down the exact pricing strategy to hit 10K monthly recurring revenue with a micro software product. Now stop watching YouTube and go build something. I'll see you in the next one.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.